guys, it's me, Chanella, and hermespillow. Today we'll be unboxing Chanel and hermespillow. I mean hermes.
No.
So
Stop eating.
I'll tell you what it is later, but I'll give you
That
a
one
hint.
is together.
Both of them are the same type of
This
item,
one is hermes.
just different brand.
This is my tool.
Okay, so let's open it.
Hey, that's
So
mine.
first, we will do hermes. Oh, and by the way, we want to ask for a box, but sadly
What
we
is
didn't have
this?
any.
Why is that noisy?
Put later. Let's do that later. We have to tell some details. So when we asked for a box, they said no. That we
What
couldn't get a
is
box.
this?
None of the boxes could fit.
And let's open this.
Yeah, but then when online it said that everything comes with a box, but it didn't. So do you think maybe we should buy online instead? Okay, let's just open it now. I'm gonna show you what it is.
Mine.
You wanna open it?
It's wow.
Okay,
That's
right here,
mine.
do you know what it is yet?
That
you.
is
A
mine.
pillow. It's a hermes pillow. So it's like a really, really fluffy. It's like
Big.
black, white, and kind of light brown. It's really light. I don't know if it looks like brown or not, but yeah.
My favorite.
It's really soft.
That's
and-
my cozy.
Yeah, that's good.
Because I'm going to take sleep over. Oh, I was hungry. Hi.
Cushion. So it's a cushion.
Like and
I think it
subscribe
was
right
a
now.
cushion.
We're going
I hope I said it correctly. Cushion. Avalon.
Huh? Why is this?
If I'm right,
Hey,
it was like
you.
around
Do you want to go sleep?
$870.
Go to sleep. Go to sleep.
But yeah.
Chanella, he's sleeping. Stop sleeping.
So it has like these squares.
Yes, that's mine. Mine.
And on the edges, each edge it has
Oh, what's
the
this?
hermes money.
Hey, yeah.
Oh, and by the way, both of us are wearing necklaces, but I'm wearing Chanel and she's wearing a hermes necklace. This is the necklace I'm wearing,
Me.
and this is the necklace that Hermes was wearing.
This one is the pushy.
Hermes.
Hemi is a pushy.
Not really plush. It's not that squishy.
So that one is the H.
I'll sleep with this.
H. No, that's mine.
I do recommend you buying it, but
Because
then
that one is
Yeah,
I got a
actually,
new
so.
gift. It got like a
this receipt is also under Hermes' name, Miss Hermespillow. Just so I know it could be under her last name. So this is a tag. And also, if you didn't know already, there's a zipper over here, which is kind of hiding. So if you see a bump over here, it's because it's a zipper. I cannot see it. Time to open the next bag. I mean, not bag. Silly me. Pillow. So let me just open the ribbon. Okay, I'll put the receipt
we
aside.
did have names. That one is Chanel.
Oops, I just realized the flower fell down.
I want a flower. Give me. Okay, wait, Chanel. Let me just open. Help me
That's what it
out.
looks like. Well,
Wait,
this
another
is usually
one.
what it looks like. That's open. No, let's take
Wait
off.
a minute. Take Hammy needs it. Jimmy.
Just put it on the wall.
I know. Everyone's wearing. I'll wear it. My one is Hammy. Hammy is. Okay.
What's the receipt? Yeah. Okay, so by the way, so you know this is a pillow already. When we were gonna go, we asked him, since it didn't come with a box, we asked him, if can we have a box, since we usually go Chanelpillow and we bought so much, so they gave us a box. Just note that they don't give a box, so just try request if they can give you a box.
Here. Look, Chanella, help me. She put on her flower. Her shirt. Look at that. Look at my nose. It's big. See?
Ooh, big and thick.
Tammy, you want to go back? Where's your blanket?
This is so big. This is
Yeah.
zipper. Oh, there's a zipper on both ends.
Where's your blanket?
Zipper on this end.
Oh
Wait, let's show
my
the zipper on the other
god. Yikes!
end. Yikes.
Where's your blanket?
Wait, why is there on... Oh.
You forgot to
Open
step
it like this. Almost got away.
Chanella, where's your blanket? It's gone.
We didn't get a blanket. So this is the Chanelpillow. I kind of like the design on
My
this
one
better.
is.
Oh, let's look at the receipt.
Hey, no, it's over there. Okay. Huh? What's a ball? There he is. Okay, Hammy.
So this is the price. The receipt. You can see it's $870. Yes, it says it's also under my name, Chanella. So let's focus on the low details. So if you can see, both of them have zippers, so you can remove them and switch the pillows if you would like. And let's look at the zippers. We have to find it first. Okay, found it. So, as you can see, the zipper is a silver hardware with the word Chanel on it. It might be upside down, so I'm sorry. Okay, and then on the back, it has a Chanel logo. And then inside, if you look, it says, okay, where did it go? On the back, on the inside, it says made in Great Britain. At first I thought it was made in Italy, because usually Chanel products are made in Italy, but it's made in Great Britain. So yeah, let's see the Hermes. The zipper, hermespillow, I already found it. So, hermespillow. What color is this zipper?
Peppa Pig.
Not Peppa Pig. It's black. Black hardware. It's really small. Smaller than the other one. Because the other one's really kind of thicker. And on this, I don't really get it. It says YKK. It's hard to see it, but I see YKK. On the back, it doesn't really have anything. Over here, I have no idea what it says. Okay, I found it now. I think this is it. Nope, this is something else. The tag, and yeah. I think this is made in Italy or Paris or France. Okay, so we also saw that it says it's made in Great Britain, which is kind of cool, but weird since, yeah, also that one is made in the Chanelpillow is made in Great Britain, but this isn't. I mean, this is. I'm confused with what I say these days. So yeah, this is a tag we already checked out before. So this has some details which I am not bothered reading, and probably are not important. So, yeah, just a hermes. I just love details. Hermeslla. Which one do you love the best? Hermes or do you love the Chanel or Hermes pillow? That's your opinion. You can have the pillow. I like the Hermes pillow because it's nice and I love the details of it. Sorry, I keep saying Hermes instead of Chanel, so I'm really sorry if I say Hermes instead of Chanel. Yee. I think that is it for today. Hey, Messa, what do you want to say to them before we end the video?
Peppa Pig.
Oh my gosh. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe if you can. Share it or comment something down below. See you in the next video.
Bye.
Bye-bye.